Ninth question. In the ninth question, they are saying find the length of the largest pole that can be placed in a hall 10-meter long, 10-meter wide, and 5-meter high. So there is one hall. Hall will be in cuboid shape, right? So they are saying the uh, length of the hall is 10 meters and the breadth of the hall is also 10 meters and the height of the hall is 5 meters. So it is in cuboid shape. So they are asking you, they have to put a pole. So they pole एक डंडा होता है ना. So they are saying what will be the length of the largest pole that can be placed in this hall. So largest length का pole, कितनी largest length का pole I can place in this room. See, if I'll place the pole lengthwise, so I can put the pole of 10 meters over here. So if I will put it breadthwise, then also the pole of 10 meters will be possible to place in this hall. And if I will place the pole height wise, then only 5 meters of the pole I can place in this room. So but they are asking you the largest pole I can place in this room. So the largest pole I can place it is diagonally. If I will place the pole diagonally, that will be the largest length of the pole that I can place in this room. So it means I have to find out the diagonal of this room. So, and in order to find out the diagonal of the room, the formula is length square plus breadth square plus height square and the square root of all this and the square root. So this is the sign of square root and this is called radical. This is called radical sign. So in order to find the length of the largest pole that I can place in this room, I have to find the diagonal of this room. So जितना diagonal होगा, that much length of pole I can place in this room. That will be the largest length, largest pole. So to find out the diagonal of the room, the formula is length square plus breadth square plus height square and the square root of that. So let's solve it now. What is the length given? Length is given 10, so the square of 10 and then breadth is 10, so square root of square of 10 and height is given 5, so square of 5. Length square, breadth square and height square. So what will be the square of 10? Square of 10 means 10 into 10. So what will be 10 into 10? 10 into 10, 10 into 10 will be 100. Again 10 square means 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 will be 100. And 5 ka square means 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25. So total comes to be 125 is 225, but this is under the square root, so I have to find the square root of 225. Already I have taught you how to find the square root. So 225, I will find the prime factors of this. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, so 5 5s are 25. Now 5 9s is 45 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now to find the square root, what we do, from the pair of this 5 and 5 I will take only a single 5, and from the pair of 3 and 3 I will take only 3. So 5 3s are 15, means 15 into 15 is 225. So what is the square root of 225? It's 15. So this radical, when I find the square root, this radical sign gets removed. So is the length, this comes 15 meters, means 15 meters of the is the largest length of the pole that I can place in this room. So if I had put it lengthwise, I could have put only 10 meters of the pole. If I had put it breadthwise, then only also 10 meters. If I had put it height wise, then only 5 meters of pole I could place in this room. But if I will put the place diagonally, I can have the pole of 15 meters that can be placed in this room. Now come to the 10th question. They say find the area of a square each of whose sides measures 8.5 meters. So each of its side means all its sides are 8.5 meters. It's a square. So a square has all the sides equal. So I know the area of the square. What is the area of a square? It's side multiplied by side. So side is given 8.5. So what will be the area? It will be 8.5 multiplied by 8.5. So when you will multiply 8.5 with 8.5, you will get 72.25 meter square. So you know the units of the area, it is meter square. Now the 11th question, in this they are saying find the area of the square the length of whose diagonal is given. So they have given you the diagonal of the square, that is 72 centimeters. So till now what you have been doing is that you are finding the area with the formula side into side when the side is given, but here the side is not given, so I cannot apply this formula. The diagonal is given. So there is one more formula when you have to find the area of the square when the diagonal is given. So the formula is half into diagonal का square. So diagonal square means diagonal into diagonal, or you can say half into diagonal, or you can say diagonal square. Half into diagonal square is the formula to find out the area of the square when the diagonal is given. Okay, so applying this formula, half into diagonal square means 72 ka square, or you can say half into 72 into 72. Okay, now you can 2 3 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So 72 you have to multiply with 36. Two five 9.2. So 2592 centimeter square, because this is in centimeter. Centimeter square is the area of the square whose diagonal is given. So this is the formula which you have to apply when to find out the area of the square when diagonal is given. I come to the next question, 12th question. In this they are given the area of square is 16200 meters square and I have to find the length of the diagonal. So it is a reverse of this. In this the diagonal was given and I was to find the area. Here area is given and I have to find the diagonal. So I will find out the diagonal by using the same formula as this, half into diagonal square, or half into diagonal. So area is given 16200, so half, and I have to find the diagonal. So diagonal square. So what I will do, this 2 will go that side, so it will become 16200 multiply by 2. So that will be yes. Now this is diagonal square. So diagonal square is 32400, but I have to find diagonal. So when I have to find the square of any number, what we do, we find the square root. So 32400 का square root find out करूँगी, so I will get the diagonal. So and how do we find the square root? Already I have told you, like 32400, you take out its prime factors, like 2 ones are 2 0 0. Now again 2 8 are 16. Now again 2 4 are 8, and this 0 2 5 are 10 and 0. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 2 5s are 10. Now this will not go on to, yes, 3 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 3 7s are 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and 5 5s are 25. Now to find the square root, what we do, from this pair of 2 I will take a single 2, from this pair of 2 I will take a single 2, from this pair of 3 I will take a single 3, from this pair of 3 I will take single 3, and from this pair of 5 I will take a single 5. So from every pair I have taken a single number. Okay, and from every pair I have taken a single number and I will multiply them. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 5s are 80, 180. So the diagonal is 180 centimeter. So I have found the diagonal by using the same formula, half into diagonal square. So area is given. So 2, when I will find apply this, so 2 I will put on this side, take this side, and it will get multiplied, and you get 32400. And to find the square root of any number, we find the square root by taking out their prime factors, and from every pair I take a single number, and this radical sign gets removed. So multiply all this and you get 180. 13th question. 13th question is the same like the 12th question. They have given the area of a square is half hectare, and they are asking you to find the length of the diagonal. So again the same, only the half hectare. Now this half hectare I will change this into meter square. So in hectare, in 1 hectare you have 10,000 meter squares. So in 1 hectare, how much meter squares you have? 10,000. But this is given half hectare. So half hectare, if it is half hectare, it means this 10,000 you divide with 2 to get the half of this. 1 hectare और उसका half क्या होगा? 2 से divide and you get 5,000 meter square. It means the area given here is, area of the square is 5,000 meter square, and I have to find the length of the diagonal. So again the same formula I will apply, half into diagonal square. So 5,000 is equal to half into diagonal square. So to find the diagonal square, I will find take 2 to the other side and it will get multiplied, and you will get 10,000. And to find the square root of any number, what did I tell you? To find the square root. Okay, so 10,000 का square root. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now this will go on 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. Now to find out the square root, what I will do, from every pair I will take only a single number. So 2 I will take from this. Okay, so from this pair I will take only a single 2, from this pair 5, and from this pair also 5. So what the diagonal comes, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 25 is 100. So what is the diagonal? The diagonal of the length of the diagonal is 100 meters. Now I come to the 14th question. In this they are saying area of the square plot is 6084 meters square. Find the length of the wire which can go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. They are asking you to find the length of the wire which can go around this plot 4 times. So whenever we are concerned about the boundary of anything, what we are concerned with, it means I have to find the perimeter of the plot, right? If I find the perimeter of the plot, that will be the length of the wire that can go around this plot 1 time. And if you will multiply this perimeter with 4, you will get the wire which can go around this plot 4 times. So it means first of all I am concerned with finding out the perimeter of this square plot. So in order to find the length of the wire which can go around this plot 1 time. So perimeter of a square, as you know, is 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side, but I don't know the side, so I cannot find out the perimeter. Side to दी नहीं, so I cannot find out the perimeter. So what is the first thing then I have to do? I have to first of all find the side. Now how can I find the side? I will find the side by this information which is given. So now how I will find out the side? See, area of square, as you know, is side into side, or you can say side square. Side into side also means side square. So area of square is given 6084. So 6084 is equal to side into side or side square. And if I find the square root of this, to find the square of the side, I have to find the square root of this 6084. So let's find out the square root of 6084. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 3 5s are 15, 0, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 18, 3 9s are, yes, and 169 will go on the table of 13. 13 13s is 169. So 13 into 13. So now to find out the square root, I will take from this pair only 2, from this pair only 3, and from this pair only 13. And what you will get, this side when you multiply this. So 13 78. So this comes 78. It means the side of the square is 78 meters. Now I have found the side by using the information given this. Okay, so side is 78 meters. Now what I'll do, I will find out the perimeter of the square, which is 4 into side. So 78 into 4, side into 4, 312 meters. So what is this perimeter which I have found? It means if the length of the wire that will go in one round, the length of the wire required is 312 meters, and they are saying that they want 4 rounds of that wire. So it means 312 you multiply with 4, and what you will get, 312 you multiply with 1248 meter of wire is required if I want that wire to go around the field. How many times? 4 times. So what I have done, first I have found the side by using the information about the area. By applying the formula of area, I have found the side. From the side given found, I then then I found the perimeter, and from the perimeter means the length of wire around the plot 1 time, and in order to find 4 times, so I have multiplied this with 4. Now the 15th question, in this they say a wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. एक वायर है that is in the shape of a square, जो स्क्वायर का, this is all wire. which is in the shape of a square, and the side of the square is 10 centimeter. And they say this wire again is rebent. इसी wire को लेके they have made a rectangle of length 12 centimeter. So find its breadth. So I have to find the breadth of this. So length is given, breadth I have to find. So how can I find? By using this information. I know the side of this, and this is a wire, and wire is all around, so it means it is concerned with the perimeter. And because the same wire is used to make this, it means जितना ये wire है, जितना इस wire का perimeter है, इस wire also is this, because the same wire is used, so this wire also has the same perimeter. So they both the perimeters will be the same. So I will find out the perimeter of the square, which is 4 into side. So what is the perimeter of the square? So 4 into 10, or you can say 40 centimeter is the perimeter of the square. This means the length of this whole wire is 40 centimeter. Now because the same wire is used, this is 40 centimeter wire, it means this also is 40 centimeter wire, means iska perimeter is also the same. So perimeter I know, and the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. So perimeter is the same. So 40 to length length is given 12, and breadth I have to find. So this 2 I will get this side, it will get divided because here is multiplied 20, and here I am left with 12 plus b. So in order to find b, what I will do, this I will shift to the other side. Here it is plus, the other side it will become minus. So 20 minus 12, so breadth comes out to be 8. So I have found the breadth of this, which was the question, 8 centimeter. So now the next part is which figure encloses more area and by how much. इन दोनों में से किसका area ज़्यादा है? So it means I will find out the area of both of them. So square का area क्या होता है? Side into side means 10 into 10. 10 into 10, that means 100 centimeter square. And what will be the area of this rectangle? It will be length into breadth. So 12 into 8, 12 is 96 centimeter square. So which figure encloses more area? The square has more area, and by how much? How much means 100 minus 96, 4 centimeter square. So the square is 4 centimeter square more. Area of square, so area of square is 4 centimeter square more than the area of the rectangle. Now the 16th question, in this they say a godown is 50 meters long, 40 meters wide, broad and 10 meters high. Find the cost of whitewashing its 4 walls. इसकी 4 walls को whitewash करना है. All the 4 walls, इसकी 4 walls को they have to, this wall, all the 4 walls they have to whitewash. And the ceiling जो होती है छत होती है, okay, ceiling at rupees 20 rupees per square meter. Now it means they have to whitewash the 4 walls and the ceiling. So what I will do is I will find out the area of these 4 walls as well as the area of the ceiling. छत का भी, और just look around your room. Look at the 4 walls and the ceiling. छत पे, the छत is what? The ceiling is what? It is rectangle in shape. So area of the ceiling will be length into breadth, right? And what about the area of the 4 walls? The length is given of the area, the breadth is given, and the height also is given of the this wall. So area of 4 walls, we have a formula for this. Just look at the formula. It is 2 multiply by height. जो height है 2 multiply by height, and length plus breadth. Look at this formula. This formula is there to find out the area of 4 walls of a room. What is the area of 4 walls of the room? 2 into height multiply by length plus breadth. Now look at this, how I will solve this. Sorry, you cannot see. Okay, so 2 into height, length plus breadth is the area of the 4 walls. So 2 into height into length plus breadth. Now look at this, height is given how much? 10, length is given how much? 50, and the breadth is 40. So first of all you can add the length and breadth. What is that? 50 plus 40 is 90. So what it means is 2 into 10 into 90. So this comes 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 1800 meters square is the area of 4 walls. Now they are saying that they have to whitewash the ceiling also, and ceiling is what? It is rectangular in shape, means length into breadth. So in order to find the length is what? जो लेंथ इज गिवन 50, जो नीचे लेंथ है वही ऊपर भी होगी और ब्रेथ भी वही होगी, ब्रेथ इज 40. So 5 4s are 2000 meter square. So what is the total area they have to whitewash? What is the total area? The area of square 4 walls is 1800 and the area of the ceiling is 2000. So the total area they have to whitewash is 8 and 3800. It's 3800 meters square. So this is the total area they have to whitewash, and they have given, they are asking you the cost of whitewashing. So the cost of 1 meter square is given how much? It's given rupees 20. So the cost of then 3800 meters square will be 3800 multiplied by 20. So what it will be? 7600 rupees. So the 7600 rupees. So 7600 rupees will be the, so 1 more zero will come. 76,000 is the cost of whitewashing the total area. Come to the 17th question. In this they are saying the area of 4 walls of a room is 168 meters square. So they have given you the area of 4 walls. In the previous question we were to find the area of the 4 walls, but here it is given the area of 4 walls is this. The breadth and the height of the room are 10 meter and 4 meter respectively, means the breadth is 10 and height is 4, and length we have to find out. So because it's concerned with area of 4 walls, so I will apply the formula of area of 4 walls. So I told you what is that? 2 into height multiply by length plus breadth. So whatever I know I will fill that. I know the area 168 is area, 2 into height is 4, length I have to find, and breadth is 10. Okay, so look at this. So 168, I can multiply this, 2 4s are 8. Okay, and length I don't know, so plus I cannot add them. So 8 I will take this side, so that will get divided because here it is multiplied. So 8 2s are 16, 24 is equal to length plus 10. Now here comes 24, so this 10 I will shift that side, so 24 minus 10, so length comes out to be 14 meters. I come to the 19th question. In this they are saying area of 4 walls of a room is 120 meters square. Length of the room is twice its breadth and the height given is 4 meters, and they are saying you find the area of the floor. Now as I told you in the question number 16, when they asked you to find the, when we were to find the area of the ceiling, just look at the ceiling of your room. It is rectangular in shape, length into breadth, and look at the floor also will be I have to find the area of the floor. Floor also is rectangular in shape, and I can find out the area of the floor by multiplying length into breadth. But now neither length is given nor breadth is given. So how can I find out the area of the floor? So it means first of all I have to find the length and breadth by using this information, and they are saying the length is twice the breadth of the room. So it means I have to assume them. So I will say let the breadth of the room be x, and then the length will be 2x, because the length is twice the breadth. Now by using this information I will find out the length and the breadth. So I know that area of 4 walls is equal to, I'll apply the formula of that, it's 2 into height, length plus breadth. So area is given 120, 2 into height is given 4, and length I have taken as 2x and breadth is x. So now first of all this becomes 2 4s are 8, and inside 2x plus x is 3x. So this becomes 8 3s are 24x. So x you find out 120. If this you send to the other side will become divide, and 24 5s is 120. So x comes out to be 120. Now I know the value of x, I can find out the length and breadth. So because breadth was x, so it means our x का value आया है, sorry, x का value आया है 5, so it means breadth is 5 meters. And what is length? Length is what? Length is 2x. So it means 2 into x, it means 2 into 5, it means 10 meters. 5 to the 10 meters is the length. Now breadth and length both I have taken out. So area of floor will be length into breadth, I told you. So length is 10 and the breadth is 5. So 10 5 is 15 meters square is the area of the floor, and that only was the question. We come to the 20th question, and this they are saying a room is there which is 8.5 meters long, 6.5 meters wide, broad, and 3.4 meters high. And they are saying it has 2 doors, each measuring 1.5 meters by 1 meter. दो उसमें doors हैं, जो wall है उसके अंदर 2 doors are there, and they have given you the dimensions of the door, and there are 2 windows also, each measuring 2 meters by 1 meter, and they are finally asking you find the cost of painting its 4 walls. इन 4 walls को paint करना है. So and they are asking you how they are the cost. So first of all I will find out how much area of the walls they have to paint. Now they are saying that they have to paint the wall only, और वॉल के अंदर डोर्स भी हैं और विंडोज़ भी हैं, तो डोर्स और विंडोज़ को तो पेंट नहीं करना है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज़ फर्स्ट आई विल फाइंड आउट हाउ मच टोटल एरिया ऑफ द वॉल्स दे हैव टू paint. So I will find out the area of the 4 walls. I know the formula of 2 into height, length plus breadth. This will give you the area of all the 4 walls, but the windows and the doors I don't have to paint. So from this area I will minus the area of the door and the area of the 2 windows also. So first I will take out the total area of the 4 walls, and from that I will minus the area of the 2 doors and the area of the 2 windows, because these I don't have to paint. I have to paint only the 4 walls, and that I will get the after subtracting the area of the 2 doors and 2 windows from the total area of 4 walls, that much area I will get to paint. So first once I get the how much area they have to paint, from that I can subtract the I can get the total cost of painting the walls. So what I'll do, first of all I will find out the area of the 4 walls. 2 into height is given 3.4 and length is 8.5 plus 6.5. so this multiplying this you get this, and by adding 15. So 15.0 also is 15. Now you multiply both of them. 15 8s are 120 and 15 6 is 15 6 are 90, 102, 102.0. So 102.0 meters square is the area of the 4 walls. So that is the area of the 4 walls. Now I have to subtract from this the area of 2 doors. So what will be the area of one door? So area of one door will be length into breadth, which is 1.5 into 1, and to find that is equal to 1.5 only. And because 2 doors are there, so what I will do, 1.5 multiply by 2, you will get 3 meters. 1.5 multiply by 2 is 3. Now I will take out the area of one window. So that is length into breadth, because they are rectangular in shape. 2 ones are 2 meters, and because there are 2 windows, so it means this 2 multiplied by 2, it's 4 meters square. So what is the total area of 2 doors? 3 meters square. And what is the total area of 2 windows? It's 4 meters square. So what I have to do, from the total area of 4 walls, I have to subtract the area of the windows, the area of the doors, plus the area of the windows. So what it comes to be, so it comes to be 102 minus 7, or you can say 95 meters square. So 95 meters square is the total area which has to be whitewashed. Now they are asking you about the cost. So they are saying the cost of whitewashing 1 meter square is 160 rupees. Now I have to find the cost of whitewashing 95 meters square. So 95 multiplied by 16. So 16 5 is 80, and 16 9 152. Sorry, 160 था ना, 152. So 15200 rupees is the total cost of whitewashing the 4 walls after subtracting the area of doors and the 2 doors and 2 windows.